Hey you guys, good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever time you're watching this. What's up you guys? Welcome to another vlog. I just woke up, so this is why I look like this. This is how I look like 90% of the time. The other 10% you guys see on IG. So this is me live and raw. For today, I actually woke up really early. I woke up at 5 to make Jair's lonche. Wifey, I know he needs to wife me up. You guys already say it all the time. Whatever, but just we'll deal with that later. I'm gonna get up even though I don't want to. My bed is so comfy, you guys. I used to have so much back pain back in the day. It was an everyday thing for me. So after we got this bed, like back pains where my bed is made out of styrofoam. I think that's how you say it. But basically when you lay on it, it shapes to the form of your body. If you guys suffer from back pains, I recommend a bed like this because it will change your life, you guys. My back has not hurt in years because of this bed, so I'm so thankful. So I'm gonna get up and, you know, fold my clothes, you know, clean a little bit. I'm also gonna do a little tutorial of my hair and stuff like that. I don't really know what I have planned for today, but hopefully it all comes together. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna get all my shit done and then I'll update you guys when I start doing my makeup brushes. Okay, you guys, I'm in my bathroom now and this is pretty much my setup. I got a paper towel here and a potato peeler here. I got my ZOTE soap and my brushes. These are not all my makeup brushes, but I've been getting into the habit of washing them at least once a week. These are the ones that I've used this whole week, so I'm gonna be washing all this. Like, it's so dirty. Yuck. It also helps with acne, so that's why I've been trying to do this at least once a week, because you guys know I struggle with acne, so keeping your brushes clean is a must, you guys. Now I'm gonna show you guys the little hack that I saw on TikTok. All of this came from TikTok, okay? So I'm gonna take my potato peeler. It's always nice to keep containers like this because you never know what you're gonna be using them for. And I think this was a gel or a conditioner, I'm not really sure, but you can use any container that you guys have and save them, you guys, because they come in handy. Now I'm gonna be showing you guys what I'm gonna be doing. Okay, you guys, you wanna open up your ZOTE soap. And I already kind of opened mine to show you guys. And this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. Now you want to clean out your container, you guys, because you never know, it might be dirty. Mine had glitters in here, so it has glitters everywhere. So I'm gonna rinse that out. This is one way to clean your brushes, you guys. Super easy and simple, but if you want somewhere to store it, that's what the container is there for. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean them this way, and then we're going to store all of this barra into our containers. You guys, as I'm peeling this, I remember that I have to boil water. That way the hot water can put all this together. So once it's all peeled and stored in the container, the hot water is gonna make sure that it all stays intact. So I'm gonna boil some water, you guys, and I'm just gonna do my makeup for now. I'll update you guys and let you know how this all turned out, maybe on the next video. But I'm gonna be doing my makeup while the water is boiling with the rest of my clean brushes, and I'll update you guys to see how that turned out. now. Okay, you guys, I'm finally done with my makeup. I went ahead and did this cute little green vibe. Later on in the day, I'm gonna be wearing a neon green bodysuit, so that's why I chose this color. Also, don't mind my bruise, you guys. I wake up with random bruises all the time. I'd be waking up with bruises on my legs. This one is a new one. I haven't gotten a bruise on my arm in such a long time, so don't mind it. Just don't look at it. Don't look at it. Now I'm gonna set everything together with some setting spray. This one is the infallible setting spray by L'Oreal. And let me set that quick. I'm also gonna be showing you guys how I do my little zigzag line up here. A lot of you really wanted me to do a tutorial, so I'm gonna do a quick one for you guys. It's honestly not that hard, but you know, some of you really want me to do a tutorial anyways. Let's see. So let me show you guys how I do that quick. I am gonna take some of my sedal. You guys, wait on it because I am gonna still do a giveaway with this, so just wait on it. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna set this, or I'm gonna apply this all over my hair. Then I'm gonna take a brush like this. You can use any brush that you have. Make sure you have something sharp like this so you can make little zigzag lines. So this is the brush that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna bring all of this back. This looks so weird. Okay, so what I do is I do it super quick. So this is what I do. Ready? I literally, so say I angle it this way, and then I go like this, and once I have that, I go, and then I bring it up. Hopefully you guys can see, and then set it down to the side. So it's not always perfect. Like right now, you guys see it probably looks like shit, but I fix it. So see this, it's super like, no, I do not want that. So it takes me a couple tries, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, so I'm gonna do it again. And this time I'm gonna make it longer, so I'm gonna start right here, then bring it this way, that way, this way, that way, this way. This is some work, you guys. Like, see, I think it's not working out because I'm not looking at a mirror, so I'm gonna take my mirror and look at what I'm doing because I feel like that's the issue right now. Okay, so I'm gonna do it again. Told you guys it takes me a couple tries, so it might take you a couple tries as well, but it's okay as long as you get it down. I'm gonna look at my mirror. And I'm gonna go like this. Okay, I think I might got it this time. Bring it up and then to the side. La verga. Let's see how this turned out. Okay, so this is not bad. This is something we can work with, and I'll show you guys what I mean. So this is not bad. So, okay. Let me show you guys. Let me get up close. So what I do here, you guys see this is not perfect, correct? Okay, we can all agree. Sometimes I guide myself off of the end, so I'll go like this. Like that. It's basically like a little sketch, the first one that you do, so it's not gonna be perfect. Can you guys see, hopefully? Okay. So there you go, we got the first one down. Perfect. So then I brush the sides, put them behind my ears, and then kind of straighten it out. Okay, that one's pretty good. Then I do the same thing on this side. I have a lot of caspa. I think it's the shampoo that I'm using. I use the Herbal Essence one and it gives me so much caspa. I didn't used to, but recently it's been giving me so much, so I don't know what to do. I've never had caspa in my life. Then right here, string it out a little more. And then see how that became that? Don't worry, because we're gonna fix it. You're gonna do the same thing and go that way. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I only do 1, 2, 3. I only do 3 because you really can't see the back side. So if you want to, you can just leave it like this and maybe just fix it a little. We can fix this right here. Like that. Like I said, you can leave it up to this point. If you want to keep going even further, that's up to you, but this is pretty much how I do mine. And then wait, I gotta comb it real quick because lo embarañé un chingo. Then I bring all my hair to the front. I comb it. Wait. And then I am going to grab these 2 sides and put them behind my ears like that. So that way we can put some gel and set this down. And that's pretty much what I do, you guys. I'm gonna put some gel and get back to you guys. Okay, you guys, update. Me and Jerry, we just got home and we were out taking pictures. We went out to eat. We went to Arby's and I was eating a buffalo sauce chicken sandwich, something like that, and it was really spicy. My nose started running and look, you guys, it looks so ugly. It also started pouring rain when we were taking pictures, so that didn't help our case. My hair is not even straight anymore and my little cute bodysuit got ruined. I ripped it a little bit on the side. I don't know if I can show you guys. I don't have pasties, I don't own any, so I can't really show you guys my bodysuit like that because then you guys see everything. Also, I got buffalo sauce all over it. I can't show you guys, sorry. Yeah, it was just a shitty day today. It's probably still raining. Let me check. Yep, still raining. Can you guys see? Still raining. My makeup got ruined by the rain, you guys. I'm so sad. Regardless, I still got a couple good pics for the gram, you know. So that's a plus. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is probably gonna be the end of my vlog. Like, comment, and subscribe, you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.